This is how you're going to fix social posting to X Twitter issue error from Wix. First, you're going to have to check your connection. You're going to log into your Wix dashboard. You're going to go to the social posting app and then check the connection status for X. Now, another thing that you can do is you can reconnect it or you can re-download the app. So from here, from your Wix dashboard, we're just going to click on the mobile apps right here. We're going to, the resources section right here at the top of your screen. So you're just going to click on resources, and then from here we're just going to click on the app market. Now from the app market, we're just going to search for the Twitter account. So I'm just going to scroll down. If you cannot find it, you can also use this search bar right here. So I'm just going to enter the Twitter and then click on enter, and then from there we're just going to search for the app that we have. So if you have the social feed, you can do that. If you have the social follow us or whatever app you have, you can just click on that. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this Twitter post feed. So if you already have this added to your account, but if it is facing some kind of error, you can just remove this from your site, and then once it has been removed, you can just re-add it to your site once again. And then just like how you did it, you're gonna have to re-enter all of your credentials, your login credentials, and then you're going to authorize Wix to be connected to your Twitter and for Wix to be able to post on your Twitter account once again. And that's it. That is how you can fix Wix social posting to X Twitter issue error. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.